Hello students, today I want to discuss more question answer from elements of art. And shape is the one elements of art. So what is shape? In the visual art, shape is a flat enclosed area of an artwork created through line, texture, colors, or an area enclosed by other shape such as triangle, circle, and square. So that is shape. With the shape, we can create so many type of artwork. Let's see different type of shape. Here you can see the different type of shape, and you can see here two artwork using different type of shape. You can also try. Next is how many type of shape. There are two type of shape, as geometric and organic. So what is geometric shape? Geometric shapes such as circle, triangle, and square have perfect uniform measurement and don't often appear in nature. So why these are, you can see here geometric shape, and why they are geometric? They have perfect uniform measurement. Okay, that's why they are geometric. With this shape we can create also so many type of artwork. Later I'll show you what is organic shape. Organic shape are irregular and imperfect. Okay, naturally this shape will all be slightly different from one another. Okay, these all are different from each other. They are often curved and flowing and can seem unpredictable. Okay, using organic shape can make a piece of art or design seems more natural or real. Through this image we can create different type of patterns, different type of artwork, different type of design. Okay, let's see. Here you can see the artwork by using the organic shape. It is very nice artwork. And here you can see the combination of organic and geometric shape. Okay, you also try and you can create your own artwork. Next is what is value. Value refers to light and dark or the brightness of an area within your artwork. This can be created by shading or various other means. Understanding value and using value scale is important for increasing contrast as well as defining 3D forms. Okay, so through value means tonal variation. Through this tone we can create 3D effect. Okay, let's see. You can see this picture through the shading, dark shade and light shade. Here you can see the 3D effect of this object. Okay, this is called tone. Value. What is space? The area between the foreground, background, and the subject of a composition is called space. Space can be used to create a dimension, depth, and perspective. Here you can see the composition with this space. You can see the negative space and the positive space. So what is positive space? The area covered by shape or main subject, that is called positive space. Here you can see the black space, that is the positive space. You can also try in this way. You can also create so many type of artwork, creative artwork. And what is negative space? The area around the subject matter, that is negative space. Okay, the white surface, that is negative surface, and that the background black, that is positive surface. Okay, in this way you can also try and you can create more and more artwork. What is texture? Identity of a surface is known as its texture. Texture pertains to the physical feel of an artwork. Line, shading, and color play an important role to create texture. Some textures that we observe in our daily life, like wood, road, sand, stone, floor, clothes, paper. So through this texture we can create amazing type of artwork. Okay, so how can we identify the texture? By the surface. Okay, so let's see some texture, real texture. Okay, you can see here texture. This is also texture. Now I want to show you some artwork using different type of texture. Let's see the artwork. using the different type of nice artwork. You must try and you can enjoy this process. Okay, you can use paste different type of cottons, different type of texture cotton. You can take sand, you can take stone, and in this way you can create more creative artwork and you can enjoy also. Here you can see, okay, it's very interesting way to create new things, okay, through the texture. So students, you can read properly and note down all the things in a copy, and you just try all the things how you can create new artwork by using this elements of art. Okay, thank you.